Hello, his kid's here.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian Builds. I'm Brian. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the likes and subscribes. Click notifications to see the latest videos. Today, let's test a battery. See if our batteries are working. Charge batteries, I like rechargeables. They only last for so many charges, as we saw with one of these was dead and one was not. I bought this universal charger off of Amazon. It's pretty easy to use. It'll fit any kind of battery like that. You put one of these big guys in there like that. It will not fit a 9-volt battery, I don't think, unless you maybe connected it with wires, but that won't work. I've got a variety of batteries here. AAA 9-volt. These little watch batteries here. Tools we're going to need are a multimeter. Here's an example of a multimeter I found on Amazon. This one is around $8. There are many choices. Any one of them will do this job for you. We're going to turn it to where it says battery. Let's go to 1.5. AAAs, AA's, C batteries, they're all about 1.5 volts. It will tell you on the battery somewhere. It tells you there 700 milliamps. This one says 1.2 volts, so it should read close to 1.2. Let's check it out. There's a positive side, the bump. Negative side is the flat part. So we're going to put the black to the negative, red to the positive. And we're reading 1.283. Can you see that? Let's put it up like that. Let's put it like that. Right? 1.2 something. So that one's good. Let's check this one. These are 3 volts. So we should read somewhere around 3. Smooth side is marked positive, so the other side is negative. Let's see where we're at with that. We are at 0. Let's go up to the 5 volt and the 9 volt mark. We're at 0, so that battery is dead. Let's test another one. We're at 2.9. This battery might still have some juice in it. Let's check this one again just to be sure. 0, completely flat. Let's test the C battery. Positive on the bump, negative on the other side. We're at 0.18, completely dead. Let's test a 9 volt. This one has positive, negative. Positive, negative. 9.68, that's a good battery. Let's test the car battery. See what that one is. Negative with the minus, positive with the plus. And I just charged this one, so it should read, this is a 12 volt battery. Right there on top it says so. We're at 12.99. That's a fully charged battery. Let's try one of these guys. These are, how much power in here? 2.75. So we should read somewhere at or above that. Positive with the bump, negative with the flat. We're at 4.16, definitely a full charge on that guy. Oh no, my mistake. The voltage is 4.2. So where were we? We were at 4.16. That's pretty close. That's a fully charged battery. Quick tip, when you dispose of batteries, always do so in a safe manner. They shouldn't go into landfills. If you are going to put them in your trash, I wrap them up with tape. If these two connect in the trash, they can get hot enough, and actually hot enough to start a fire. So use caution when you're disposing of batteries. Wrap them up to cover up those contacts so we don't start any fires in the shop. Usually hardware stores have recycle centers for batteries. If yours does not, check the Google. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Let me know what you want to see next. See you next time.